NCL is having a sale on prepaid gratuities, which means they are going to pay your gratuities, which are at least $20 a day. Let's talk quickly about it. Let's go. Hey everyone, John here from Byte Size Cruises. We are a travel agency, and today we want to tell you about a little sale Norwegian has going on here. It is from the 8th to the 20th of July here, and it is free prepaid gratuities. That means that Norwegian Cruise Line is going to pay your gratuities. Now, we do have some terms and conditions here that we need to talk about quickly. This is only going to be good for a chunk of sailings. It's pretty wide. So it's Caribbean and the Bahamas from October of this year to December of next year. Alaska, October of this year through October of next year. Bermuda from July of this year, starting right now, which is awesome, through September of next year. Mexican Riviera, October of this year through March of next year. Europe, August of this year through October of 2027. Hawaii from November of 27 through February of 28. Short window there, but still very good. Pacific Coast, October of 26, February of 27. And transatlantic voyages in November of this year. So if you're looking for something specific there, that is what's up. This is prepaid gratuities. All right, again, this is going to be for balcony cabins and higher on these cruises, $20 per day. So again, if you have 2 or 3 people, you're on a 7-day cruise, that could be up to $600 in savings. It's a lot of money. So if anybody's interested in booking a Norwegian cruise on any of those itineraries, you can also just email us and ask. We can check on different itineraries for you to see what is available. Email me at jp@bytesizecruises.com. You could shoot us a call if you'd like, or even a text, whatever works best for you, 484-493-4482. We are here to help with all of your Norwegian Cruise Line cruises and any other cruise for that matter. But this is a great sale, something interesting that Norwegian doesn't often do. So if you're interested in prepaid gratuities for free, shoot me an email, call, text, whatever you'd like, and we'd love to help you book your next Norwegian vacation. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day and happy cruising. Bye.